In this video, I am going to show staff how to install their Read and Write PDF reader by texthelp. So this icon that is on the page is not up in my extensions. This program is added for all LDCSB students. However, it is not automatically installed for staff. So I'm going to show you how to do that. First, when I come to a PDF, here's my PDF, and I want to be able to open it. And I don't have the option to open it with my PDF reader. So what you're going to need to do is make a new tab, and we are going to go to the Chrome store. In the Chrome Web Store, we're going to click on it. And if you're on your extensions, you can come down for LDCSB. The very first one that you should see is the texthelp PDF reader. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to say Add to Chrome. We're going to say Add Extension. And we'll see now. Now you'll see up along my extensions, I now have the PDF has been added. So when I come back here, I'm going to exit out. I'm going to reload my page, and I'm going to open up. Now when I drop down, I should have Read and Write for Google Chrome. And now you can see that I have all of my tools for the PDF reader by texthelp.